This is part one of Spirit Mound. They've done a beautiful job with all the signage and the plant markers. The trail is loaded with butterflies. I hope you enjoy hiking Spirit Mound. Okay, this is Spirit Mound, the map that I printed on the internet, and this is the map that's here. I believe that this right here is, they call it the accessibility route, so maybe it's just a little easier climb. I have 1 hour of video left, about 56 minutes, and a 75% battery. This will probably be my last trail today. Last one I did was at the Big Sioux River recreation area. They have a bunch of plant markers. Compass plant, big blue stem. Showy partridge pea. It's kind of nice. Ox eye. There's a bunny on the trail. Oh, lots of bunnies. Sawtooth sunflower. Very nice. Somebody's been out here working. Hill of Little Spirits. On August 25th, 1804, several members of the Lewis and Clark expedition left the river to visit High Hill. It's supposed to be a place of DEAVELS with remarkable large heads. Kill all persons who attempt to approach the hill. This is why I don't want to research things before I do them. I'll be all spooked, and every little noise I hear is just going to be creepy. Okay. On his map, William Clark labeled the Hill of Little Devils, which is known today as Spirit Mound. Oh, lovely. And I'm all by myself out here. It's his journal page. August 1804. That's pretty great. Many, many butterflies out here. Dedication rock. Virgil McDonald, a resident of farmhouse that stood on the northeastern slope, hauled the 2-ton monument to the summit with a team of horses until the plaque was stolen in 2001. The National Park Service duplicated the plaque and the monument was moved to this location in 2004. Okay, well, many, many butterflies. Wow. The trail is just full of butterflies up here. Wow. Must be something pretty great on this path.
They're green and yellow. Oh, the whole path. All the way. Oh, wow. Supposedly it's a straight 3/4 mile shot from the parking lot, but trail looks curvy. Beautiful. Common milkweed. Restoring the prairie. Native grasses and wildflowers are being restored here on Spirit Mound. Big blue stem, Indian grass, and switchgrass. Their roots may grow down another 9 feet to tap moisture. Coyotes, meadowlarks, bobolink. I don't know if I've ever seen a bobolink. Supposedly it's a bird. Butterflies indeed, just thick. Canada milk vetch. Canada wild rye. What's that say? Tall Clinique foil? It's in the rose family. Hopefully I don't start seeing little people with big heads. Hill of chalk. It's a natural form. Central core is a bedrock of Niobrara. Wow, that's tough to say. Niobrara? Sure. Chalk. Niobrara chalk. The continental ice sheet did not erode away. The chalk consisting of fossil shells deposited in an ancient sea is evident on the north side of the hill. Neat. The Black Hills, she found a rock with seashell fossils in it. Big one.
That concludes part 1 of the Spirit Mound hike. In part 2, we're going to start making the trek up the very large hill. I hope you enjoy hiking Spirit Mound.